In Java programming language, today we are going to talk about array list. Array list is a data structure whose size is somewhat flexible. That means in C, C++ and other languages where arrays were used as a data structure, there the array has a fixed size. So you cannot change the size, you have to fix it before you can use it. Array list is an array, but it is a list also. Means the list may be populated, means the number can be, or the values can be inputted or inserted, and it may be deleted also. So let's see what is an array list in Java and how we are going to use it. Name it as per your convenience. I am naming it as ARRAYLIST underscore EX, finish it, and then what we are going to do is, since this is a data structure, so we have to call it, or we have to import it from java.utility. So we have to import or place or import java.util.ArrayList in our program. Now we are ready to use the array list. How we are going to write the array list? This is very important. Please watch carefully. We have to write ARRAY list. Mark the characters in capital. And now I want to make an array list of integers. So in this angle bracket, I will just write integer. This integer, again mark that I is capital. So you have to give integer or boolean, like you have to give boolean, then you have to place B in a capital letter. So let's insert some marks or make an array list of marks. So I will name the array list as marks. And you know how to instantiate this marks, new, and copy this down and place it here, and followed by these round brackets and termination by semicolon. So this is how an array list called marks is being created. So now the array list has been created. The next question is how we are going to add the numbers, or how we are going to add the values in this newly made array list. For that, we have to use the name, and since this is an object, we have various functions which are associated with marks. You just do dot, and we have add function. Dot, add all, add, there are various functions available. We'll use add, and you just have to give the number which you want to insert into the array list. Say I place 40, and the number of time I add, those numbers gets added. Say I add 40, then say 60, then 80. So now our array list has three values. The first one is 40, the last one is 80. Now the third question comes. We have made an array list, we have added the numbers. How we are going to print or show or get? So the answer lies in the question itself. Use get. We'll use system.out.println, and what we'll do, we will just do marks dot get. This is the simplest way to, and this is showing index also. So let's give 0. Why this is 0? Because in array or array list, the first number is at 0, this number at 1. So n minus 1, you have to give here n minus 1. So once I execute or run this program, it should give me 40. Let me run, and we have 40. If I want to get this number, we have to give 2, because this is the third number, we have to give 2. Again run 80. So we have created an array list, we have added the numbers, and we have got it also, means retrieved it also. So let's do a little or a small procedure so that we may be able to, perceive or make a program out of it. Just add these three numbers and try to print the average of these three numbers. For that, let's have a double average, which will show the average. Then we'll have total, int total, and total is equal to 0 because always the sum or the total is given to be 0. Let's have a for loop because we are dealing with three numbers. More than one number, we have to use for loop. Say int I equal to 0, I less than. What we can give? We can give 3 also, but this is not the way the Java program works. We have different functions available with marks to find the size of the array list. For that, marks dot get size. How to get the size? Through size. We have size, and this function will return the size of the array list, and then we have semicolon plus plus I. Okay. We give total plus is equal to, okay, is equal to total plus what we'll do, we'll give marks dot get I, the way we just retrieve the numbers. I have a shorthand of this particular thing. I will place plus in front of is equal to, and I'll just delete this total. This is going to do the same work as the previous line. So we have to find the average also. Average is equal to total divided by marks dot size, because marks dot size is the number of elements. So average will be the total of this divided by the number of elements that will be found from marks dot size. And let me print it for you. System.out.println, the average is avg. This is a function. So let me again write it. So this particular program is a step ahead from making an array list and showing it. It is going to show the average of the numbers which are in array list. Let me execute it for you. The average is 60. If we add 40 plus 60 plus 80 divided by 3, the average is the answer we just received. So this is how we make array list. We do processing with the array list, and it makes our life somewhat easier because we don't have to fix array list, and there are certain functions, I must say various functions, which are available with this marks to work upon it and to make a simple and fast program. Thank you so much.